but we're not. All right. Okay, so I'm just going to talk about kind of parsing JSON with Swift. I haven't got the stringifying JSON yet, but I've been working on it. So to just start off here, this is what I did is I created this enum right here, JSON error. Someone did this, and I thought, it was really cool because I thought I could make an error message like different cases, but it didn't work. So, but I'm still trying to figure it out. But here I have a good parsing example. Okay. So first off, I create this JSON string, just a simple 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm assigning. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to encode it in UTF-8, and then I assign it to data. And so then right here is I create this variable JSON data, and then I'm assigning it any object because I don't know what object it's going to be. So it's just a generic.
Can I ask you some questions?
Yes.
Okay. So when you're encoding it in the UTF-8, what does that mean? What is it? It's changing all of those characters into the UTF-8 numbers, or?
Yeah, I think just UTF-8 standards. I don't know why you have to do that.
Okay.
I haven't figured that out. I'll get a better answer for you next time.
Okay.
Okay, but so right here, so I'm creating it an optional because we don't know if it's going to parse or not. So I think if you don't, I think it doesn't throw an error. So maybe you don't have to do that. So yeah, let me comment this out. So right here, and so what first you want to do when you're parsing data is you want to do this NS-JSON serialization. That's like, it's a built-in objective. It's like an Objective-C library that they use for parsing JSON, and they've just kind of converted it so it works kind of like with Swift instead of having to pass it like how Objective-C works. And then in it, it has this method called JSON object with data. And so in this, it takes a couple parameters. First, it takes the data, and it's the options you want to use when you're serializing it. And then you can also pass in an error message and how to handle that. And so all I'm doing right here is I'm creating an option, and then in the options there's another one called NS-JSON reading option and writing option. So there's two different options. So reading options when you're reading in JSON and you're trying to parse it all object. Okay. Writing objects when you're trying to take JSON and write it to a string. So we're reading the options, and then it has different values, and I'm just making a mutable container. There's also like a mutable leaf and a couple other things. I'm not quite positive all on that what that does, but I'm creating a mutable container, and then what I'm going to do is, else if it doesn't parse, I'm going to throw this JSON error conversion failed, which I thought would throw this error message here, but
it doesn't.
It doesn't. So right here, first you go through and you can see it parses my JSON. So I just have an object with 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, I think you can do like this too, as a dictionary. I think I can remove this right here. And the object is not convertible to as dictionary. Oh, because there's no key value. Maybe as NS array. Oh, I don't know. Sorry. It's not convertible. Oh, maybe I have to do NS array here. Optional. I'm sorry. So anyways, yeah, kind of finicky. But a lot of people do something like that, but oops. And then, but anyways, I throw an error message, you can see right here. And so I think if we change this right here to a different JSON string, let's do the 2-value pair. So first. We'll do first name, and we'll escape these. So at colon, and then escape Preston. Okay, and then do last. Colon, sorry, I should have this right now for you guys.
It's fine. Good.
Yeah. So we escape that. Okay.
Oh, then that one right before that.
Oh, right there. I did it on the wrong side. Okay. So we have this JSON string, and so we parse it. It runs through. Ooh, badly formed array around character 8. Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know what it's doing wrong. Sorry. I'll get it working. I'll have a better example next week, but I think you can make a dictionary array, right? I tried it before and it worked, and I deleted it. So, but anyways, here, this is what I did, and so I created a nasty example right here, real quick, and I just created a JSON string. Oh, I did this. This one works. We'll do this first right here. This is a good example. Yeah. Stop. Run. So build succeeded. See here I created an object here, name with Bob and Tim. So, but then here I created a nasty example right here, and I just left out the closing bracket, and I parsed it and everything right here. And so I thought it would throw my JSON error because I catch it right here, but it just doesn't. It just catches.
Oh, it catches down there.
Mm-hmm. And so it just said unexpected into the file. So this is kind of the error you get when you parse when your JSON's bad at the end of the file. So, so kind of the same thing. That's all I have. I'm sorry, it's really simple, but yeah, nice.
And it looks